Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, the Jamaica Olympic Association celebrated the nation's Olympic medalists from this summer's Paris Games, presenting them with cash rewards totaling millions in a glitzy ceremony on Saturday night. Denise Waters reports.
Roger Stoner, who was awarded $3 million for his gold medal effort in the men's discus, says breaking the Olympic record and winning Jamaica's first gold medal in any field event is still a surreal moment.
Believe it or not, sometimes I forget what I've done. And I see pictures and videos and I watch them like, that was real me. So, but when I look back and I think about all the late nights and the early mornings, I deserve every second of that moment. And I put in a lot of work, so I know I deserve it. It's just to go out there and accept everything that comes after.
First-time Olympian Kishane Thompson missed out on the gold medal in the men's 100 meters by 0.005 of a second. However, the silver medalist was grateful to be rewarded for his hard work to the tune of $1.5 million.
I am incredibly honored to receive this award. Thank you for it. It really means a lot. This is a recognition and testament to my hard work and dedication and everyone who has helped me to reach this far. I am truly grateful for this award, and I will continue to strive for excellence in everything I do.
Also copying their first medal at the Olympic Games were Shanika Ricketts in the women's triple jump and long jumper Wayne Pinnock. Both were also awarded $1.5 million each for picking up silver.
I feel blessed to have both my parents and my husband tonight to share this occasion with. I am excited for what's next, the next chapter of my life, and it is my intention to continue representing Jamaica with dignity and pride.
A lifelong dream come true. To my coach, families, and my agent, your love, sacrifice, and guidance fueled my journey. This Olympic medal isn't just mine. It's a symbol of Jamaica resilience, strength, and pride. I am humbled to share it with a nation I love.
Olympic bronze medalist shot putter Rajendra Campbell and sprint hurdler Rashid Broadbell, who both made their Olympic debut, were also awarded $1 million each.
First medal for Jamaica at my first Olympics. It's truly a remarkable feeling. And as you guys hear tonight, there are some significant plans for the next Olympics, and I promise we all will go out and produce better results and inspire the rest of generation to come.
This season has been, a really roller coaster season, and for everyone that was a part of it, they saw the ins and outs of it and how hard I really fought for this medal. It's actually my first real medal. I got the Commonwealth medal, yes, but I really wanted to do it on the real big stage.
Meanwhile, World Under-20 triple jump record holder Janie Hibbert, who received $500,000, was named the first ever recipient of the JOA Olympic Sprint Award. Hibbert finished just 0.03 centimeters shy of the bronze medal after ending fourth competing with an injury in the triple jump.
It's always an honor to be recognized by your country, especially the best in the world, Jamaica. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. I'm really grateful to celebrate this with my fellow Jamaicans and with my teammates. I just truly want to thank God for this and thank the JOA for recognizing talent in such manner. Chris
Samuda is the president of the JOA.
The theme is Beyond the Podium to the Stars. And what we are signaling to our athletes, our sportsmen and sportswomen, that we salute you when you're on the podium, but we are encouraging you to go beyond the podium to the stars. And this is Jamaica Olympic Association celebration of excellence, preeminence in sport.
The ceremony was held at the Terra Nova Hotel in Kingston. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
In the meantime, during the event, JOA CEO Ryan Foster made a groundbreaking announcement for the next Olympic cycle.